Okay, good morning and welcome to Yeshiva YouTube in Iyun. We're doing Maseches Orlah Perek Gimel Mishnah Zion. I want to discuss over here. We finally find the reason of Reb Meir. He argued in a number of Mishnayos in Maseches Orlah that even though normally Orlah is batal 1 in 200, if it's something which is significant that's normally counted, here he says the reason. Monos, something that's normally counted. For example, the previous Mishnah talked about clover leaves. Apparently, they're significant, especially if you're Irish and you live in a 3-leaf clover, or you're a Boston Celtics fan and you like the Shamrock 3-leaf clover. Some people like a 4-leaf clover. Maybe that's some machlokas and Beitzah and Yerushalmish or Rabbi Yochanan. Are we talking about right? Chavil Tilson, the clover. We talk about the 4-leaf clover, the 3-leaf clover. Is it always counted? Is it always important enough to be counted by itself, or is it sometimes counted? 3-leaf clovers. I would say 4-leaf clovers are more rare than 3-leaf clovers. I'm sorry, I'm not sure actually. I forgot. I don't know. I'm not familiar with clovers, but they're used to spice food. So the Gemara Meir says Eshedarch Limon is not batal. Chum argue on them. They say only 6 things, Dvarim Chashuvim, Dvarim that are worth a lot, expensive, they're not batal 1 and 200. Now the Chum makes sense, right? If it's Chashuv, it's of an important thing, right? So it's not batal 1 and 200. Or Meir hard to understand. This is because it's normally counted. He normally sells in packages of 25 clover leaves. You know how many leaves is going to be in there, so it's considered important. It's not batal. I think it's just a different reason. That because according to Reb Meir, Eshedarch Limanos, if it's normally counted, so even though it's mixed in and you have 200 chulin and one part bag of tilson, and you have 200 bags of chulin and 1 bag of tilson of clovers, the reason is because since it's normally counted, so therefore you can't say it's a mixture. It's not a mixture, right? How can I say it's mixed in with other things if I would go over to that bag and count it? If I go over and count it, it's not mixed in with the rest of it. It's a part. It's not because it's more significant. It's not because something I count, eggs or something like that. Are eggs so significant? Eggs are normally counted. They're sold, 12 a dozen eggs. You buy a dozen eggs. It's because since I normally count this, therefore it can't be considered part of the mixture. There's no tarovis. There's no mixture. There's no mixture that can be bittul. Bittul, we rely on a tarovis. The Chachamim say 6 things that are chashuv. Now you can say what I'm saying in Reb Meir. Maybe the Chachamim also agree to that also. That the reason is, what does it mean it's chashuv? It's important, so it's not bothered. This is because it's chashuv, therefore bittul means I'm nullifying something. Something that's important I can't nullify. Or is the idea that something chashuv, it's not viewed as part of the tarovis. Maybe that the Chum also agree to the svara. All these 6 things, which are very expensive things, very rare things, I would take it out myself and I would value it and cherish it. It can't be part of the tarovis. It can't be part of the mixture because I immediately identify what it is and I give it importance. It's not just part of the tarovis, and you need a tarovis. You need a mixture of 1 to 200 in order to nullify it. You need it to be lost in the 1 and 200 where it's no longer significant. So if I'm going to easily discern what it is and would want to take it out, so therefore it's not considered a tarovis, it's not considered a mixture, and therefore there's no bit of 1 and 200. A little deeper understanding, or definitely a mayor, and maybe the Chum also. Hope you enjoyed today's share. See you in the next one.